Alright. I don't know if you can hear these noises coming from the sky, but listen. Sounds like it may or may not be moving. Sounds like it may or may not be a factory that isn't even there, that could be there, but all of a sudden it's making noises it never made before. If you guys know what this sound is, you need to let me know before I let the National Guard know that they need to come rescue my ass. Hear it? That shit's getting louder because I said something about it. You know that's a full moon up in that sky too. Look at that full moon. I got the spectator right behind me trying to correct me.
Yes.
Well, then correct me on what the sound is, because it ain't Jesus.
No, it's a factory.
What they making? Warcrafts? UFOs? Yes. I told David, I said, if that is a UFO, what the fuck? They need an exhaust fix now, bitch. Y'all done woke up the whole neighborhood with that shit. Aren't you supposed to be sneaky? Psych, you didn't get to abduct no one tonight because we knew you were on the way, bitch. Try again. Good night. God bless. It's Sunday. World might be over tonight. Don't know.